Alright, so I'm going to show you something cool that you can do with the Trimble Earthworks. So what we're doing is putting in a culvert here. So what I'm going to do is we want to match the grade of the road here, which is on a slope down. So I'm in something called measure mode, where it measures the movement of the machine from the bucket teeth to wherever you put it in a straight line. So I want to figure out what the slope is here, so I can match my pipe in there so it matches, and then I got to be 36 inches down with the bottom of the trench. So I just hit origin, so that means that's where it starts, over there. So now as I move, you can see everything's adjusting. So even with the tilt rotator on, it works. So if I come all the way up here, and this is going to be about where the beginning of it is, so it tells me all this data, and what I'm looking for is this 3.5% slope. So now I'm done. So now I want to do this one. It's going to be a negative 3.7%. So that's coming up towards the machine here. Apply. And now I want to go out. And that's my start point. So I'm going to zero it out. It's going to set it so that's my benchmark. Now I just reset this down to 36 inches. So now I'm digging down 36 inches from there and up at a 3.7% slope. As I dig down, it constantly tells me how far I am away from grade. And I gotta watch out for the wires overhead. See sometimes on the screen it says angle out of measurable range, and that just means the sensors only work up to a certain degree angle. I don't know what it is. Before they can't really recognize the slope that they're on, and it's a pretty steep angle, so what I've found is it's very, very rare that you needed to actually measure the angle when you're in that position where it won't measure. also just going to dig it to about here. I'm going to leave it dammed up to stop the water so we can work.